everyone, welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So let's see how we can interchange maybe first and last element, or how we can interchange and swap any two elements of a list. So here I'm trying for first and last. So here I given list one of index 0. So zeroth index with last one. So last one is minus 1, right? And over here equals to I'm writing least one of minus 1, which will have to swap with this zeroth index, and this for minus 1 it have to swap with 0, right? So let's execute it and see. Here we have swapped this, interchange this first and last element. Likewise you can swap any elements, and I am tried with the 0th and minus 3 position. So here minus 3 position is nothing but this one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 means 4, and 0 is nothing but this one. These two we tried to swap, and this is what the result is. Thanks for watching.